The top models of our Freeride collection have been redesigned with Carbon Flipcore Technology, which will once again raise the bar of what you can expect from your Freeride skis in terms of performance and stability. Carbon Flipcore Technology adds carbon to the rockered areas of the tip and tail, which reduces the swing weight and stabilizes the most unstable areas of the ski. The legendary Bonafide has established itself as a leader in the 98mm waisted class of all mountain skis. Now constructed with Carbon Flipcore, its potential is limitless. The 108 waisted Cochise has been redesigned with new Carbon Flipcore technology and an easier skiing side cut that features a tapered tip and tail. The 118mm waisted Bodacious has been redesigned with Carbon Flipcore technology and a more versatile side cut that features even more taper in the tip and tail. We've also removed the titnall from the Bodacious for a strong but slightly more playful big mountain ride. At the top of the collection is our athlete-inspired 125mm waisted Spur, which returns with graphic updates this year.